doing a little bit of a competition between one of my favorite tire and rubber cleaners, Mckees 37, their tire and rubber Rejuvenator, versus Vonixx Delet. This is their dedicated tire and rubber cleaner. If you enjoy detailing tips, tricks, and reviews, make sure you pound that subscribe button. For those of you that are new, welcome to the channel, and let's get started with the detail. Cleaning tires and wheels is normally my least favorite part of detailing, and especially when you've got a Jeep and there's 5 of them, it can be extremely taxing. And so you want products that are going to perform quickly and effectively. Now, what is all that browning that's coming off the tires? Well, that's actually tire bloom. That's an anti-ozonant put into the tire that naturally leaches off over time. To remove that browning, you want to make sure you are using a dedicated tire cleaner. I know sometimes people use an all-purpose cleaner or a degreaser, and it might do a good job of cleaning the tire, but what can actually happen is it can accelerate that browning by being too aggressive of a cleaner. Got a little bit of residue. Not seeing too much there. For those that might struggle with cleaning tires and even after cleaning they still look brown, make sure you are cleaning until you see white foam. That white foam is indicative that the tire is clean, that you removed all of that tire bloom. Our foam, as you can see, it's pretty white. So, one time around the tire, good. Our Delet is still clinging. We can see browning still melting off. Normally cleaning Jeep tires, it takes me 3 to 4 rounds to remove all of the tire bloom. With both of these formulas, I was able to remove all of the browning with just 2 trips around the tires. You can see we do have a little bit of brown still on there. Personally, the only noticeable difference is the spray pattern for me. Both cleaned effectively. Mckees had a thinner spray and kind of ran off the tire, whereas Delet was a thicker foam and clung to the tire, but both work really well. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section down below, but once we were done 2 rounds around each tire, we dressed with Carpro Pearl, and these Jeep tires looked fantastic. Comment down below any other products you want to see comparisons of. We'll see you in the next detail.